I had severe pain in my shoulder blades and in my lower back. So I had a hunch posture and I couldn't even walk straight. So after taking several cupping therapies and needling, and now I'm feeling quite better and I can continue over my work desk throughout the day without any pain, and there is a lesser pain since for past 6 months, and now I am recovering and I hope that I'll recover fully within another 1 or 2 months more.